And welcome back to Outback Polaks.
Hey everybody!
We're on our way to the sunflower route in past Warwick to Alora. So hopefully we'll see some sunflowers, right?
Yeah.
Lots of sunflowers.
Yeah.
But we found this little spot here. Show everybody where we are. Nowhere. Nothing to see, which is great. Empty, no cities, no shopping centres.
Just cars.
Just cars every now and then. And Junior running around crazy. Hey Junior?
Ready?
We love the open spaces.
Ready, Junior?
So we're ready to head off now to find these sunflowers. I think they're at the distance somewhere else. But got some new wheels to take me around. Pretty nice. So good car for road tripping and doing vlogs in. Especially on places like this. I mean, that's pretty cool. Found this tractor. I don't know how old it is. Oh, it's a combine. Don't know how old it is, but that's pretty awesome. I love combines. Nice to see one out here, especially so old and still. Just needs a bit of a paint job. It'll be fine. Well, we've been driving for an hour and we're a bit early for the sunflowers apparently. They're supposed to be in March. Plenty of beans. I think they're beans. But no sunflowers. So we're gonna drive to a town called Nobby because apparently there's a sunflower field there. And then head off to Toowoomba. So we'll do a bit of a road trip. We can't find sunflowers. Julia, get him. Yes, we found the field. Yes, finally found it.
Daddy, there's a wire here.
Okay. Okay.
Cool.
Jump. What?
Big deadly spider.
Okay. Cool, huh? We're in the sunflower seed field. Sunflower field. Woo. There's so many of them, right?
Yeah.
Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Millions.
It never ends. Look. Daddy, look at the baby one.
Yep. Cool?
Yeah.
Lots of sunflowers, huh?
But they're not yellow.
Because they're not ready yet. Cool?
Yeah. Too small.
Yeah. So finally we got home. 2-hour drive. It was fun, eh?
Yeah.
But top tips if you're wanting to see the sunflower route, which is Route 11 in Queensland during the summer period. I think the best one is ring the tourist information to make sure that the sunflowers are actually growing.
Yeah.
Because we spent a long time driving around looking for a field that actually did grow. So yeah, so that's I think my top tip. Car was great for the first times trip. It was very comfortable. I think you slept along.
I was hot in there and Junior was jumping on my hair. I'm like...
Yeah, anyway. That was good though.
Yeah.
Big car. You're happy?
Yeah.
Definitely. Let's
But
have a
my
look.
limousine was bad.
Let's show everyone where you sit and how you sit.
So tiny. Your feet can't even fit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fit in here. Seat pops out. Gotta click the button, jump down, and then she's in the back. Comfortable limousine. All right. So I reckon we should end the vlog today. I'm pretty tired.
I'm tired.
So we'll see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and
We'll see you next time. Ciao.
ciao.
What was that?